Hi, I'm Kirby Allison, and we love to help the well-dressed take care of their wardrobes. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 3 ways to tell whether or not your shoes need to be resoled. If you have any questions or comments during this video, please ask them in the comments section below. I try to get back to as many comments and questions as possible. Proper care of your dress shoes can dramatically extend their lifetime. With regular resoling and regular polishing, you can extend the life of your shoes by decades, ensuring that they only get better with wear and become more personalized for you. In the hands of an experienced craftsman, a resoling job can not only extend the life of the shoe, but also elevate the quality of the finish. Well-made dress shoes are made with the intention to be resoled so that you can get years, if not decades, of great wear out of a pair of shoes. Just like with your car, every dress shoe ultimately needs the outsoles replaced whenever they've become worn. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 simple ways to tell whether or not your shoes need to be resoled. With the resoling done by a qualified cobbler like one from our Kirby Allison resoling repair program, you can trust that your shoes are being resoled with the finest materials and craftsmanship available anywhere. These materials and craftsmanship will ensure that your shoes last longer, look better, and feel better whenever you wear them. Today I have a pair of black Allen Edmonds 5th Avenues that have come in for our resoling program. There's 3 simple ways to tell whether or not a shoe needs to be resoled. First, and the most important, is you turn your shoe upside down and hold the toe, and then run your finger over the center of the outsole. What you're looking for is any type of wrinkling or softness in the outsole itself. A proper outsole that has not outlived its lifetime should be firm to the touch and not push in. As you can see, this shoe has a very soft outsole. It's time to have them resoled. Second, any type of visible hole in the outsole itself means that you've gone way beyond the lifetime of this outsole. If you wear your shoes too long with a hole, you can actually do permanent damage to your shoe if they get wet. So if you have any visible holes in your outsole, you need to immediately send them into a cobbler to be recrafted. Third, always inspect the perimeter of the outsole to ensure that you haven't worn through the outsole and into the welt. If you see any type of welt stitching exposed, that means that you're wearing through the outsole into the welt and that these outsoles need to be replaced immediately. The problem if you wear through the outsole into the welt is that if you wear too far through the welt, the shoes either are unable to be repaired or have to undergo a very extensive re-welting in order to allow them to be resoled. On the right shoe of these Allen Edmonds 5th Avenues, you can see that whenever I turn them over and run my thumb across the outsole, that we still have indentation. And again, this sponginess or this softness means that you're reaching the end of the lifetime of these outsoles. Now there's no visible holes, which is good, but you can see that at the toe, we're beginning to wear through the outsole and into the welt, and you can see that because the welt stitches have actually been broken on the outsole. These shoes need to be resoled. Every pair of shoes that goes through our Kirby Allison shoe resoling and repair service receives much more than just new outsoles. It's almost a full refurbishment or a full recrafting of the shoe. We're removing the outsole, replacing the interior cork filling with new cork filling, resoling the shoe, paying careful attention to match as closely as possible those original welt holes, then putting new J.R. Windenbach combination heels. And lastly, every pair of shoes receives a new pair of Kirby Allison Wellington shoelaces and a full shoe shine at the end of the process to ensure that you receive your shoes back looking in absolutely incredible condition. These Allen Edmonds, if you take a look at the uppers, are actually in fantastic condition. They just need to be resoled. And if you don't pay attention to the outsoles and replace those whenever they need to be replaced, you can actually destroy a perfectly fine pair of shoes. With regular resoling and especially polishing, you can make a pair such as these Allen Edmonds 5th Avenues easily last decades. If you're someone that is prone to wear through the toes of your shoes into the welt, you can actually outfit a pair of shoes during our Kirby Allison shoe repair service with brass or steel toe plates that help protect the tip of the shoes from being worn. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell to the right of the subscribe button so that you can learn whenever we release new videos. If you have any questions or comments about anything we discussed on this video, please ask them in the comments section below. And of course, please visit hangerproject.com, where we have the largest, most comprehensive collection of luxury garment care and shoe care accessories in the world, as well as many other incredible products for the well-dressed. And while you are there, subscribe to our newsletter to receive notifications of new product launches, promotions, as well as a weekly digest of all the videos we publish here on our YouTube channel. I'm Kirby Allison, and we love to help the well-dressed take care of their wardrobes.